Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy and physiology easily. Understanding the human body's intricate design and functions can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes much clearer. We'll explore effective strategies to simplify complex information. Remember, anatomy is about the what, and physiology is about the how and why. By linking these two, your comprehension will significantly improve. To truly grasp anatomy and physiology, active learning is key. Instead of just rereading, challenge yourself with flashcards and quizzes. Try to explain complex processes out loud. This helps solidify your understanding. Spacing out your study sessions, perhaps for 30 minutes to 1 hour daily, rather than cramming, significantly boosts long-term memory retention. Many excellent resources can make learning easier. Three-dimensional models, whether physical or virtual, offer invaluable spatial understanding. Online platforms provide free courses and video explanations, often breaking down difficult concepts visually. Collaborating in a study group of 3 to 5 people allows for shared knowledge and different perspectives, making learning more dynamic and engaging. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to revisit previous topics and prepare for upcoming ones. Try to connect what you learn to practical applications, like how a specific muscle functions during movement. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Clarifying doubts immediately prevents misunderstandings from building up. This proactive approach ensures lasting knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.